Eto ngwa yomu ya kiliti kuno ka wora le nungo bulima ba mantia nungo dia punyere kuno.
The IGAD youth envoy Sam Ogwal repairs boreholes for the residents of Moroto County as he advances his political mission. Sam Ogwal, who is also the Secretary Finance of the National Youth Council of Uganda, is among those aspiring for Moroto constituency Member of Parliament seat. The incumbent Member of Parliament is Samuel Okwa-Odu, but Ogwal believes he has failed to address the pressing needs of the local people, which include water, road, education and poverty alleviation though. Ogwal, while addressing the community of Abango Imanj, in Abia sub-county, asked the voters to be mindful of the future if their children by choosing leaders who are capable of coming up with policies and ideas to improve the standard of education, lobby for projects both from government and elsewhere to improve livelihood, among others. Ogwal asked the voters not to fall prey to deceitful politicians who always come to them with bulk promises and disappear when elected, leaving the community in adverse and persistent poverty. Uganda is warming up for the general election next year.
This is Sam Ogwal's brief profile from the website of Intergovernmental Authority on Development, IGAD, which a body of 8 states, Djibouti, Ethiopia, Kenya, Somalia, South Sudan, Sudan, and Uganda. Mr. Sam Ogwal, first IGAD Youth Envoy and Secretary for Finance at the National Youth Council, Uganda, previously served as Regional Coordinator for Policy and Advocacy at the Commonwealth Youth Peace Ambassadors Network and as Regional Representative for Africa and Europe at the Commonwealth Youth Council. He also contributed to the East African Community Youth Ambassadors Platform. Sam has led impactful initiatives such as Faith in the Commonwealth with the Commonwealth Secretariat and Localizing Agenda 2250, UNSCR on Youth, Peace, and Security, with the World Federation for United Nations Associations. Notably, he advocated for youth representation in the East African Legislative Assembly and helped establish the East African Youth Council in 2015. Active in the Horn of Africa Youth Network, Sam authored the Swift, Snapchat, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter generation, addressing social media's role in extremism and proposing youth-led strategies to counter it. With a Bachelor of Science in Telecommunication Engineering from Makerere University, he enjoys writing and advocating for noble causes.
Lacking in this discussion, one of my key interventions is that work closely with the Office of the Executive Secretary with its support and guidance to ensure that the voices of the young people are being discussed and put part and parcel of the IGAD programming frameworks.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.